Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you which fuses to check in case you're having problems with the radio. Now in my case I just purchased this vehicle off the car auction and the radio screen or the radio is not working at all. So whatever I press, whatever I do, there is no power to the radio and the screen is black. So I will show you which fuses to check. This video should apply to Tiguans made from 2012 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, I will also mention this is not the first type of this vehicle that I have issues with the radio. So the first and easiest thing to check are the fuses. Then next step is to pull out the radio unit, inspect all connections behind it and things like that. But if nothing, if everything looks good, then there is a big chance that the radio unit itself failed and will have to be replaced. But like I said, first always check the fuses. That's the easiest and cheapest to fix. Okay, now first fuse to check will be located in this main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. Now to remove the cover, you want to pull these two locking mechanisms towards yourself to unlock it, and then you should be able to leave the cover straight up. And the fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number F7, which is this 25 amp fuse located right here. Now I want to add here also, this fuse only applies if your vehicle does not have start-stop option. So just want to pull it out and inspect this metal wire inside. If it's broken, that means this fuse is burnt out. In my case, this fuse is good, and that's unfortunately bad news for me because most likely I'm dealing with a failed radio. But anyways, like I said, if you don't have a start-stop option, then you want to check this fuse. But if your vehicle is equipped with start-stop, then you want to check the fuse in a different fuse box, and I will show it to you right now. Okay, now if your vehicle is equipped with start-stop option, then the fuse is in a small fuse box which is under the front hood right here. So first you want to lower down this storage compartment, and then you will have to lower down all the way actually by pushing onto these two plastic sides. They're being held right here. You see there's like a small black clip here and a small black clip on the other side. So typically I want to do this using two hands. You just have to kind of push onto this plastic side and pull it down, but you should be doing this at the same time at the both sides, right? This is a bit hard to do like this, but still doable. And then you can completely remove it by pulling it over yourself. So I'll show you one more time. You see you have this small plastic tab here and one of these on the other side, and they are just up here behind this in this opening, right? That's what's keeping it in place, and then they're attached down here, which you just have to pull off. They're like two hooks at the bottom. Okay, and now once you have the cover off, there should be one fuse, also 25 amp, located right here where I'm pointing to. And this is only in case you have start-stop option. So if you have start-stop option, the fuse will be here. If you don't have it, it's gonna be in the main fuse box, as per my fuse box diagram, and I believe this is right. So they made it a bit complicated, but that's how it is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.